One of the functionalities of Power Query in Excel is that you don't need every time to open the query, edit it to have data refreshed. For example, this is for me the table from which I made the query, and if we click inside of it, we will get table. So let's create query for now to show you, and we're going to name it test 1 and load and close. As you can see, it has been generated, and the last item is Kiwi. Next step, I'm going to go back to the initial table, and here I will add an additional row, and I will be typing data. For example, orange. And we can use the same date. We can here put 3000. We can calculate the bonus. 3000 multiplied by 0.025. And we're going just to copy and paste as a value to avoid any errors. We can enter the same month and the same day, copy paste. As you can see in my test file, the last item is Kiwi, and it doesn't show the one which I have added. To solve this, just click inside your table, click on Table Design, and click Refresh. As you can see, orange has been added, and it has exactly the same details as I did. So every time when you want to add additional rows or columns, you don't really need to open the query. You can just type the data or paste the data and click refresh so that the data appears in your query table.